What's going on, everybody? If you've watched a previous video of mine, you've seen where I took one of these Sunshine Minting 1-ounce silver bars and put it up on my vise and turned it into that. And I cleaned this thing up just a little bit, and I tell you what, just seeing how malleable this silver is, it's really inspired me. I really did want to try to melt this into some silver shot, and because I think that would be kind of neat too, to have some little silver pieces. I mean, if you know what silver shot is, it can turn into all kinds of cool looking things, not necessarily just round grain like pieces, but it can turn into, well, some people call it corn flakes. So I think that'd be neat to have couple ounces of cornflake silver. So I've been doing a little bit of research. I think I've concluded a way to easily melt this down, and a few other pieces of silver I've acquired, and that's going to be with a mini brazing torch. It's actually MAP gas and oxygen together going into a little tiny torch. My local hardware store actually sells that, so I'm going to show a picture real quick of what I'm talking about. Alrighty, there it is. You can see it's actually on sale right now as well, so I think I'm about to go down to the store, pick up one of those. It shows there's only 2 left in stock, so probably need to jump on that before there's none left. So also, I'm going to look at getting some ceramic crucibles so I can melt the silver in and maybe just turn these silver bars into my own. So that would probably be interesting as well. So without further rambling, I think that's going to end the video. Stay tuned for some melting of silver and trying to make some poor man's silver shot. So if you found the video interesting or videos alike, please hit the thumbs up button, subscribe for more content alike so you can stay tuned and up to date on new uploads. It's going to wrap it up. Dalton's Garage signing out until next time. Happy prospecting, happy treasure hunting, happy gold and silver smashing. We'll catch you in the next one. Take it easy.